Do your customers ever get lost in a maze of extensions, transferred endlessly, or worse, sent straight to voicemail? Are you missing calls, losing potential leads, and frustrating your existing clientele because your phone system just isn't cutting it? If you're nodding your head, you're not alone. In today's fast-paced business world, customer experience is everything. And often, that experience starts with how they interact with your phone system. A clunky, outdated system can be a major roadblock to growth, making your business seem unprofessional and inaccessible. Think about it. Every time a customer has to jump through hoops just to reach the right person, their frustration levels climb, and your brand reputation takes a hit. This isn't just about convenience. It's about efficiency, professionalism, and ultimately your bottom line. Imagine the time your employees waste trying to direct calls manually, or the leads you lose because a potential customer gives up before they can even speak to someone. It's a silent drain on your resources, one that many businesses don't even realize is happening. But what if there was a way to streamline your incoming calls, direct customers to the right department or individual instantly, and project an image of seamless professionalism, all without hiring an army of receptionists? What if you could provide a 24/7 virtual receptionist that never takes a sick day, never goes on break, and always delivers a consistent, positive experience? That's where the RingCentral auto attendant comes in. It's more than just a glorified answering machine. It's a powerful tool that transforms your phone system into a strategic asset. Think of it as your virtual front desk, a sophisticated system designed to greet your callers, provide them with options, and route them to their desired destination quickly and efficiently. It's about giving your callers control, ensuring they feel heard, and directing them to the information or person they need without unnecessary delays. So, how does it work? At its core, the RingCentral auto attendant acts as a digital switchboard. When a caller dials your main business number, instead of ringing endlessly or going to a general voicemail, they're greeted by a customized message. This message can offer a variety of options, guiding them through a menu to reach sales, support, billing, or even specific individuals. This immediate guidance not only improves the caller experience but also frees up your team to focus on more complex tasks, knowing that routine inquiries are being handled automatically. Let's dive into the practical side of setting this up, because the beauty of RingCentral is its user-friendliness. You don't need to be an IT expert to configure a professional and effective auto attendant. First things first, you'll log into your RingCentral online account. This is your central hub for managing all your communication settings. Once you're in, navigate to the phone system section. You'll see a dedicated option for auto attendant. Click on that, and you're ready to begin crafting your perfect call flow. The initial step is to define your business hours and after-hours greetings. This is crucial because your auto attendant can present different options depending on whether your office is open or closed. During business hours, you might offer options to connect directly to departments. After hours, you might direct callers to voicemail, provide emergency contact information, or even offer a link to your online FAQ. Think about the most common reasons people call you during and outside of working hours, and tailor these greetings accordingly. Next comes the exciting part: customizing your main menu. This is where you decide the options your callers will hear. You'll be able to create a list of numerical prompts. For example, press 1 for sales, press 2 for support, press 3 for billing, and so on. RingCentral provides text-to-speech functionality, which is incredibly convenient for quick setup. You just type in your desired message, and it will be converted into a natural-sounding voice. However, for a truly professional touch, I highly recommend recording your own greetings. A friendly, professional voice can make a huge difference in how your callers perceive your business. You can even upload pre-recorded audio files if you have them. Now, let's talk about the destinations for each menu option. For press 1 for sales, you'll likely want to route that call to your sales team. RingCentral offers several routing options. You can send calls to an individual extension, a call queue, so multiple sales reps can answer, a voicemail box, or even an external number. This flexibility allows you to perfectly align your call flow with your internal team structure. For example, if you have a dedicated support team, you can create a call queue specifically for them, ensuring that every support inquiry is handled by the right people, in the order it was received. What about those callers who don't fit neatly into your defined options? That's where the operator option comes in handy. You can designate an extension or a specific individual as your operator, allowing callers to connect with a live person if they need further assistance or have a more complex inquiry. It's an important fallback to ensure no caller feels stranded. RingCentral also allows for multi-level auto attendance. This means you can create submenus within your main menu. For instance, after someone presses 2 for support, they might then hear, press 1 for technical support, press 2 for product inquiries. This is incredibly powerful for larger organizations or businesses with diverse service offerings, allowing for even more precise call routing. Beyond the basic setup, explore the advanced features. You can set up holiday greetings to inform callers about your closed hours during specific holidays. You can also implement dial-by-name directories, allowing callers to find specific employees by simply spelling out their name. This feature is a massive time saver for both your callers and your internal team. Testing is absolutely critical. Once you've configured your auto attendant, dial your main business number from an external line. Go through each option, listen to the greetings, and verify that calls are routing exactly where you intend them to go. It's easy to overlook a small detail during setup, and a quick test can prevent a lot of headaches down the line. Make any necessary adjustments until the system is working perfectly and providing a seamless experience. The RingCentral Auto Attendant is a powerful tool that can significantly enhance your business's communication efficiency and professionalism. It's an investment in your customer experience, your team's productivity, and ultimately your growth. By taking the time to set it up strategically, you'll create a system that works for you 24/7, ensuring every caller receives the attention and direction they need. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.